Hello everyone, come with us on a little tour, not of labs or lecture halls, but of the wild and wonderful animals that live around us here at IIT Kanpur. They are the real campus residents. Looks like a bee, but isn't. It's a drone fly, a harmless faker that mimics bees to stay out of trouble. Now here's a real deal, honeybees. Did you know a single honeybee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in a day? That's serious hustle for such a tiny creature. Colorful butterfly gliding by. It's a fun fact to know that they taste with their feet. Okay, let's not freak out. This little architect weaves silk that's 5 times stronger than steel by weight. Bulbul sits by your window singing while you are stressed before a quiz. It's a laughing dove. Despite the name, its call sounds more like a soft, lonely coo. Still, it's one of the sweetest sounds you'll hear on a quiet evening walk. It's a jungle babbler, loud, chatty, and always in group. Kind of like the campus gossip squad. You'll hear them sharing the latest news before you even spot them. Ducks in the oxidation pond of the campus just glide through the water, completely relaxed, living the good life with no worries. Crow, smart bird, chilling on mess railings, never forgets who didn't share food. Now here's a real love story. The female seals herself inside a tree when she lays eggs, and the male grey hornbill brings her food until the chicks are ready to come out. Isn't it commitment? Gliding effortlessly in lazy circles, the black kite is the sky's cleanup crew, the expert scavengers. It's a fun fact to know that they snatch food midair. See that bird hovering like it's frozen in midair? That's a kestrel, locked in, laser focused, and ready to strike. Look up, that's an Egyptian vulture, a rare and endangered scavenger. With their sharp vision and striking appearance, they play a key role in keeping the ecosystem clean. Then there's the peacock, an unofficial campus beauty. With his tail feathers spread wide, he knows how to grab attention. Hanging back in the background, the peahen keeps it low key but graceful. No flashy feathers, just quiet charm. Given how green our campus is, snakes are our usual visitor. Oriental garden lizard, master of disguise. You could walk right by it and never know it was there. Blink and you'll miss it. Fast, feisty, and a little too fond of campus trees. They look cute but can cause a power outrage in seconds. You're right, it's a squirrel. Every campus has that one friendly stray that everyone knows. This one probably knows every shortcut, every hideout, and every food spot on campus. Asian palm civet. Now this one's rare. Ever heard of Kopi Luwak coffee? Yeah, it's made from beans that pass through this guy's digestive system. Expensive and kind of gross. Monkeys here are like campus pranksters. Steal your snacks, steal your sunglasses, and look at you like it's their right. Cows wandering around like it owns the place, taking naps wherever it pleases. Neelgai or the big bull, Asia's largest antelope. It runs faster than your cycle while you are late for the 8 a.m. classes. So, next time you are walking around the campus, take a moment to look up, down, and all around. You might just spot a wild story unfolding right in front of you.